Hello friends, welcome to Citrus Aroma. Today I'm going to share you how to make perfect rice. I know it's very basic recipe, but a lot of people do mistakes, so I'm going to take you step by step and show you how to make it perfectly. So let's get started. Here I have soaked 1 cup of basmati rice. Just wash the rice and drain the water completely and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to boil our water. So in a pan, take any pan, take 2 cups of water because we are cooking 1 cup rice, so we're going to need 2 cup water. So once the water is boiling, now it's the time to add the rice in it. At this point, make sure your stove is on high, so you don't need to cook it on a low flame at this point. So after adding the water, cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, and you're going to notice that your water is almost 60% evaporated and you're kind of left with 30 to 40% water, and your rice is almost 60% done. See, this is the stage I'm talking about. So at this stage, you just have to do a simple step. So you just have to put your stove on a very low flame and cover the rice with the lid and leave it for 5 minutes to cook on a very low flame. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Now we are going to turn off the stove and leave it for 10 minutes. See, after 10 minutes, our rice is ready. It's perfectly done. So here the rice will be very soft. At the same time, they will not be sticky. So they are very free flow. So once you allow it to cool down a little bit, like let the rice get a little bit of air, and you will see it's perfect. So by the time you serve it on your plate, so this rice will be perfect to go with any dal, any curry. I hope you like this recipe. It's very simple, and now you know how to make perfect rice. So every time you're gonna follow these steps, your rice is gonna come out perfectly. So hope you like this video. So give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you wanna say something and if you wanna request any recipe, please don't forget to comment it in the comment section. Take care and bye.